Tamaki Makaurau, Auckland, unlike other parts of the country, doesn't have a large agricultural footprint, although near to the Bombay Hills we do have some greenhouses growing tomatoes, courgettes, we do have some beef and sheep farms, but largely as a whole our emissions footprint in Tamaki Makaurau, Auckland is primarily actually in transport. The Auckland Council has developed Te Turakia Tāwhiri, Auckland's climate plan, with a goal to halve the region's emissions by 2030, cut them in half. Small chunk in agriculture, and there's a lot left in the energy sector as well. There's a big chunk in process heat, so that's the use of coal, gas, fossil fuels, applied heat in industrial processes to produce chemical products, or in manufacturing to produce things like steel at the Glenbrook Steel Mill, or perhaps it's used to dehydrate milk powder or to heat a greenhouse or produce sugar or food. There's also the electricity grid, of course. Within Tamaki Makaurau as a region, we don't have much in the way of electricity generation assets. There's some embedded and small facilities, some small solar rather, at a residential level, a commercial level. Watercare, which is a council-controlled organisation, has a floating solar array
a 1 megawatt
Rosedale.
floating set.
One of the first in the world. And there's some more embedded solar and, of course, some diesel generator and the like. But, in fact, in the whole upper central North Island of New Zealand, there is not a lot of electricity generation. We get most of it coming through the Genesis-owned coal and gas-fired Huntly Power Station facility down beyond the border in the Waikato. Up above Auckland in Northland, there's some tiny hydro and Ngāwhā geothermal. But as a region, we rely on the rest of the country. Really, the backbone of the electricity system is a big connector down to the South Island, where the hydro lakes work hard to pump electricity to the rest of the country.